Welcome back, my beauty squad. How you been? If you're new, it's your girl Jessica. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down in that corner or in that one, and that you got that bell turned on. That way you get notified for any and every video upload, and I upload often. Plus, I go live every Sunday and Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and you don't want to miss those. We have loads of fun. We sit down, we play with makeup, we connect, we grow together, we support each other, and we chit chat about life. So you want to be there. Today, I have a purple box. And do y'all see that sticker? Do y'all see that sticker? Do y'all want to see what's in my purple box? Look at that, baby. Y'all, this is the first ever Jeffree Star palette that I have received on a launch. And as soon as I saw the color schemes, I was like, I've got to have it. And the packaging, I am a sucker when it comes to packaging. I'm sorry, I will admit it today. It could be something I probably don't like, and if the packaging is bomb, I'm going to want it for the packaging. And this was a win-win for me. But look at that detail, like, gorgeous. Then you open her up. You got its logo. And then you have the palette. Do y'all see that bling? Gorgeous. I have watched videos on videos on videos of this palette. And I'm telling you, the camera does not do justice. This is what the packaging looks like. You have everything embedded back here. It says 12 months, cruelty-free, Instagram, YouTube, all that good stuff. Bloodlust. Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Like, this packaging is everything. Love it. And I love it because it's one of those packaging you can touch and it's not going to get dirty. Look at that bad boy. Look how thick this plastic is. Like, that plastic is there. Do y'all see that reflex in that? Just gorgeous. And I mean the details on this. I love taking those off. That's your little mirror. Then there's your colors. See, the thing about his particular palettes, it kills me to touch them because of all that artwork. That is just so beautiful. So I want to touch some. You got Beauty Sleep. I'm barely touching these because I don't want to mess up the thing. We got Wet Jewel. Oh my god, that feels good. Pink Magic. Sword Enemy. And then Betrayal. Look at our shimmers. And like I said, these are not going to be the best swatches because I am barely touching this palette. Because I don't want to mess it up. But that's what them shades look like. Let me turn my light down just a little bit. There we go. Do y'all see that? Awesome. Okay. And of course, y'all know I'm rocking the Jeffree Star hoodie. I'll try to every time I do a Jeffree Star unboxing. Take the Crown is another one, and then Executioner is another one. That are like shimmer shades that I want to touch. Look at that black. I don't know if y'all can see that shimmer, but that is gorgeous. That's what it looks like on the fingers. Just gorgeous. Now, I am not creating a look with this palette until we get everything kind of worked out, because we are doing a collaboration together on this palette. But what I can say is I listen to my family out here. When I do one, I'm going to be doing 2 different looks. Also, right after, that's all the shimmers in it. Right after this video, I am going ahead and recording another one. And I come up with a great idea. And I got the concept kind of from, I got inspired by Anya's video I watched last night. She did a sorry, I'm talking it. Oh, so that's kind of like a shimmer. She did a witch palette switch on one side, and she did the Bloodlust, and then she did the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, which I don't have. But you had to kind of guess which side was which, and she created the same look using 2 different palettes, which I just thought was genius. But she does a lot of videos like that. And like I said, my swatches are not the best because I'm not digging into the palette. But just to give you a little rough idea. I know you've seen plenty of swatches. Like, plenty of them. But I don't like taking people's ideas and videos that they worked hard on. So I've got a remix on it, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to make one at least once every week or once every 2 weeks, is guess my palette. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to sit down and go through my little collection. And when I mean little, I have a little collection. I don't have a lot. And kind of grab like palettes that are almost similar or kind of have the similar like variety or whatever. I will show y'all once at the beginning of the video. Then I will lay the palettes down where you cannot see them, and I will use out of one palette that I have chosen. And you have to figure out which palette that is. If it's like palette 1, palette 2, or palette 3. I don't know how many different palettes I will have at one time. I think the first one I'm going to do with 2 palettes. So it's either going to be like palette A or palette B. After I create the look, and I give y'all, you know, after everything's done, I will tell you again, is it palette A or palette B? And then I will tell y'all which one I did. I thought it'd be kind of fun to do. Something different, you know. Those shades, like, y'all, these shades are everything. I promise you, if you got this palette, you know what I'm talking about. If you have not got this palette, then I know what you see on the camera is beautiful, but when you do see this palette in person, it is gorgeous, y'all. It's gorgeous. Like, I'm going to have so much fun. And I already kind of know what kind of looks I want to do. And this is the first time ever I look at a palette and I kind of already know what I want to do with it. It's funny. Enough with the palette. Let's put her back in her home. I love this. Love that. It's so gorgeous. Like, I love all the detail that he puts in it. Jeffree Star is well known for all his bouginess. And when he brings it, he brings it. He does not play around. Like, gorgeous. Also, in my little kitty box, we got some purple tissue. We got a beautiful little card from Jeffree Star, which will be going up. And it just shows the palette with a crown. There we go. Which is awesome. Then we have, dun dun dun. And then we got the invoice, and you don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. And I know Mario don't want to see that. Y'all. So my chrome little mirror will be retiring to its case for right now. Because your girl is going to start using, bam! This one. It matches the jacket. I love it. I was really torn because I was not able to get everything on the collection. And as bad as I wanted to, I was not able to. So for now on, my intros will consume of this purple mirror. Just like I do with my red one, my pink one. I wanted to get the glosses, I wanted to get the lipsticks, I wanted to get the frost. I wanted it all. I'm going to be upfront and honest. I wanted it all. Who don't? But I just didn't, I couldn't tear myself of get Mario to pay $50 for a highlighter. Nor could I didn't want to get the lip bundle because I'm not really a purple person when it comes to lipsticks. And I got quite a few purples already. So anytime I need to dip into purples, I've got it. Also, the lip glosses were off the chain. Like, that would have been the next thing on my list. But I wanted the mirror. And I have 2 glosses. And I only have 1 mirror. So I was like, I can get glosses later. Let me go ahead and get the mirror to match. Just because I love purple. It matches my hoodie. It'd be really cool to have up here instead of this one, because this one is very reflective. Like, I love it. Don't get me wrong. I really do love it. And once we get situated, everything will be starting to go up and put into rightful homes. It's just right now we're in between moving. My little stationery right here is not the best to have anything stabilized. So I set everything up as I go every day. But with that being said, for everyone that's watching that wants to collab with me and Renee, please comment below. I do understand everybody does not have their palettes. Renee does not have her palette yet. She's supposed to be getting it tomorrow. But we do want to do this video pretty quick. So with that being said, anybody that has their palette or is getting their palette in the next 2 days, we could do the collaboration. Anybody that still wants to do the collaboration but doesn't have their palette, we can mention you. And we will put your link down in the description if you would like. And you just upload as soon as you get your palette. Because you would kind of be on the same boat we are. We already got ours. And it's just, it's hard not to touch it. Really is, I promise. Like, it's taking everything in me. And usually, just about every one of his palettes, I have waited and waited and waited to play in. The Blue Blood, I waited like 3 weeks to play in. And this one, I can't wait. And like I said, I'm going to be recreating 2 different looks. One on each side for y'all. Just so y'all can get a feel of what I like out of the palette. So please, all the creators, this way I can kind of get up everybody that's in it. And I don't want to be scattered all over the place. Because I already know a couple of y'all DM me And I want to write it down and get us organized as possible and get everybody on the same function of it. That way I can kind of make us a message together, message DM together with all of us together. So it's so much easier and we just reply to each other as one. And we can figure out the time and date of doing this. But again, please let me know down there, down below, in the comments if you want to join. More than welcome, more than merry. Y'all know how it is. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much. Really hope whoever wanted this palette was able to get it. I know it did not sell out, so you had a couple of days after the fact to grab it if you wanted to. It is a little pricey. I know it's a little rich in blood for quite a few people, and if I had it like that, I would have grabbed the extra one to do a giveaway, but as of right now, we don't. Hopefully sooner than later, once I do get monetized on here, most of the majority of the money is going back into items for my channel, and I'm planning on kind of figuring out afterwards, because I don't know how that works right now, but figuring out afterwards how to do everything, because I want to take a little portion of it and put back for giveaways so I can purchase for items. So hopefully later on I'll be able to do stuff like this, because y'all all, if y'all know who I am, y'all know I'm a very giving person. I love giving back. I love supporting and growing together. I love helping each other out. It's just amazing. I've been very blessed to have some amazing friends on here that's helped me out. And I want to give back. So with that being said, I love y'all. I didn't want to leave this video too long. Y'all have seen the palette 1,000 times. I just wanted to show y'all mine. Thank you for being here. Until the next, make sure you go check out my husband's channel if you haven't already. It's Hey I Got Something to Say with Mario Vargas. I always have his link down below. Just click on it, subscribe, check him out. He will be posting a new video here soon, and you don't want to miss it. He's a great supporter. A very smart man. He knows exactly what he's talking about when he's talking about it. And I love him to death. I wouldn't be here without him. And he's just amazing altogether. So you would like to get to know him. Until the next, y'all. Bye.